So yeah, it's a summer flood part 2. It's raining hard, man. It's just going crazy. I'm up here, and I know I'm breaking the law. I shouldn't be filming while driving, but gotta catch some footage here, man. All the little flood spots. Yeah, I need to get new wipers. Yeah, I know. It's all flopping all over the place. It's embarrassing. Usually there's a little flood spot around here. You can probably see like the water splashing all over the place and stuff. There's usually a little puddle or lake or whatever around this corner, but let's see if it's here this year. I used to miss these days when I had the Xterra. It used to splash water everywhere. You can probably hear the noise. Crazy. Look, it just started intensifying. Dang. Sound like a bunch of stones hitting my windshield. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it is one of the ways I take home whenever it's like snowing out real bad. I want to be like little hills as possible. It's a nice little open road. It takes me straight to the Taconic. A little busier than usual around this time. Jeez. If you count the weather, it's coming up right now. Splish, splish, splash. I guess nothing much here going on here. Oh, great. All backed up and shit. Let's see if somebody will let me merge in. Ugh. But they're all like backed up over there. Maybe there's a huge puddle or something. I don't know. Looks weird. Oh, there's water everywhere. I guess they want to be splashing or hydroplaning, which makes sense. Oh, what is this guy doing? Oh no, you ain't getting in front of me. Shit. Oh, I see what it is. There's a big ass puddle there. I gotcha. Whoa! Yeah! That's why. So people don't like slip all over the place. Makes sense. I guess we get to speed up now, right? Nah. Let me not play around like that. Plus I got the camera and stuff. Woo! That was crazy. Oh. So this is 202, and that's where they're building that new Lowe's or whatever. I don't know what the hell people are doing in the freaking traffic. So they never stop improving. I mean, never stop building. Damn. Traffic's gonna be a nightmare when this comes out. I'm telling you. As if it isn't already. Look at that. Lines and lines of cars. Unbelievable. That's why I got to get out of here. It is freaking crazy. The spot where they like the bottleneck traffic. Nope. I'm getting off right here. Right here, making that left. I ain't getting trapped up in there because people like to see if they can race people and get ahead. I ain't gonna be in between that shit. You can just take this route over here. Make a little right. It'll probably be especially flooded over here. Back roads, yeah, back country roads. Yeah, this place is mad country. Well, not really, I mean, but it's definitely a redneck element in back here. I feel. I've always felt that. Uh-oh, here comes Splash. Ah! It's a lot more fun with the Xterra though. It looked like a damn water ride when I hit those little big puddles. Oh man, at least no trees are down. Knock on wood. No pun intended. Because I had to turn all the way around one time when it rained this bad. But the thing was, it had winds along with it. You don't want to mess with those winds. And we're not gonna even go back on that little area. We're not gonna go back on 202. We're gonna go up this hill. This long hill. Come on, boy. Get that all-wheel drive rocking. Listen to that roar of that Impreza. Listen to that Impreza roar. You can hear it saying Subaru. That's the power of the Subaru Samurai. Hey! Oh boy, someone got into an accident, I could tell. Look at that. It's always... I figured since we're here, we might as well look at my old digs. My old high school, Walter Panis Prison. I mean high school. Spent 4 glorious years over there. Yeah. Yeah, well, don't miss it. I really don't. Don't really miss a lot of people too, either. Maybe a few people, but that's about it. A handful. That's all you need. Don't need to like everybody. Well, it looks like it's finally starting to clear up or something. I mean, the rain is not as intense, so I don't know. Oh! Now watch out for those little pockets of. Uh-oh. Oh, I thought that was a big puddle. Okay, good. There's the old Cortland Lanes down there. That's where Kyle used to have his league. I used to go watch him, and we went there. I guess I was working at the camp also. We took trips down to the bowling or whatever. And this is the famed Bear Mountain Parkway where I have at least went over a few million times. Nice and spacious, like the roads over in down south. As opposed, oh no, the rain's coming back. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Yeah, I think it's gonna be off and on like this all day and all night. Oh, 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 oh God! Oh Jesus! 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 The lanes! I can't see! I can't see shit! Oh my God! Oh my God! I need to fix these wipers! Where's Noah's Ark when you need it? Holy crap! Oh! You're seeing it here, folks! The end of days! The massive flood is upon us! Ah! We gotta make it to safety. We can make it. Okay, look at this dude cutting across. Jerk face. You would do that when I can't see. Okay, we're good. We're safe on Route 6. Oh, wait a minute, what am I saying? Oh God, Route 6 is horrible. Ah! This place is flooded. I can see it. Wow. You never see this much puddleage here. That's right, I said puddleage. We finally found ourselves a flood. Flood, 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 flood. One flood, one flood, one flood, one flood, one flood. Oh man. Wow. This is crazy, man. Huh. And look, after every storm, the sun comes out. Kind of metaphoric.